All right, that is 8 ounces of whipped cream cheese right into our large bowl. I like using the whipped cream cheese better for this recipe. Now we have some ricotta cheese. This is gonna be 2 cups. Look at how that all just came out perfectly. 2 cups of ricotta cheese. Now we have some powdered sugar. I'm gonna measure with my heart. We need 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. It's okay if we put more. We like it super sweet. Okay, now that we have that in there, we have some vanilla extract. We just need a teaspoon. Whoa. Might have been more, but it's okay because we love vanilla. And now we're just gonna mix it together till it's smooth and creamy. All right. And now for the fun part. We have some mini chocolate chips. We're gonna pour right in here. You want about 1 cup or so. I think that looks good. Now I'll just take back my spatula. Doesn't matter if it's dirty, it's all going in the same place. You're just gonna quickly mix those mini chocolate chips right in there. I think I'm gonna add more. I love chocolate. Okay. And this is what I call a cannoli dip. Oh yeah, it's gonna be so good. And you can chill this for 30 minutes. That is preferable. But I'm just gonna go ahead and eat it just like this. I'm gonna eat it with a graham cracker. Let's get a nice helping of that. Cheers. Tastes like a cannoli.